Cardano. Ever heard the name? Maybe you've seen that mysterious blue logo pop up in crypto conversations. But what exactly is Cardano or ADA? Why does it matter? Let's break it down. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, designed from the ground up with research and peer review at its core. Cardano decided to start fresh, collaborating with top academics, inventing new solutions and only moving forward after rigorous testing. Back in September 2022, Cardano made headlines with the Vassal hard fork. This upgrade supercharged its smart contract abilities, boosted speed, and cut costs, making everything smoother and more efficient for everyone using the network. But here's where Cardano really stands out: Ouroboros. It's a unique proof-of-stake system that splits time into epochs and slots. For each slot, a new leader is picked to add blocks, making the whole chain fast and, get this, in theory, infinitely scalable. That means Cardano could handle a massive amount of transactions at once, opening the doors for all sorts of decentralized applications. The story starts with Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. He launched Cardano in 2017 after raising over $60 million from supporters worldwide. Since then, Cardano's evolved from a basic settlement layer to a full ecosystem of smart contracts and dApps, always with a focus on decentralization. So what's next? The Voltaire era, where Cardano aims to become self-sustaining. Soon, ADA holders will be able to vote on upgrades and proposals, and a portion of transaction fees will fund future development. And ADA? That's Cardano's native coin, named after Ada Lovelace, the world's first computer programmer. Right now, holders can stake their coins to help secure the network and earn rewards, pay for transaction fees, and soon, shape the future of Cardano itself. So next time you spot that Cardano logo, you'll know it's more than just a coin. It's a vision for what blockchain can become. Cardano, building blockchain with research, scalability, and community.